think the most important thing is to focus every day when you go to training. Today I'm here, I want to achieve something big, so I have to do something special. I must train harder than the others.
Everybody has their unique challenges when you come to athletics and sports. I grew up in a really small village, and my parents didn't really want me to do sports in this amount I wanted to, where I was with my parents, but I also communicated of what I wanted and how much I wanted and why I wanted it. And so we had to set some boundaries when school goes well. And I did play instrument, the flute, and when I could take part in my flute lessons as much as I should, then I was allowed to go to train. So it was always a little back and forth. And eventually, after a few years and my first international competitions, my parents realized, oh, it's maybe okay to do such a sport because it brings me around the world. It gives me such opportunities. And now I'm a really inspiration for a lot of people there who are in the small town in Germany and now going to the world.
That's really impressive.
It's always the question if you go to training camps like this that the conditions are right. And this year the World Championships are in China. Usually we're at the other side of the globe, in Clermont. This time it was convenient that we're at a point where we don't have any time shifts and where the conditions are right. So we choose Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur, and then James gave us the opportunity to train here at a very good facility, so we have everything that we need. We have a gym, you have a very good facilities.
Be brave and stand up for yourself and your opinion, and don't stress yourself too much. Yeah, have fun with the things you do, and setbacks are part of the game too. It's part of growing, and they will make you stronger. I think a lot of people are thinking that the sprint is so easy. It looks like it's just a straightforward race, but surprise, it's not. Sprinting is a technical discipline, and you have to work very hard on the smallest things just to get a few centimeters earlier to cross the finish line. And I think it's not just the training that is part of the success. I think it's a whole lifestyle. For example, your nutrition, your diet, your regeneration, and your whole daily routine. And I think that's a point that a lot of people don't see or don't recognize.